Hello, I am Akansha Pinzarkar. Here I will go to throw the light on the historical background and the discoveries made by a great woman scientist ever who has made an revolutionary change in the field of the science. That is none other than Madame Marie Curie, the woman who changed the scientific world. The content of my presentation. The first, which I have mentioned over here, is the radioactivity. As we know that the discovery of the radioactivity has changed our idea about the matter and energy. It has become important tool for releving the interior of the atom. Beside it, it has a numerous applications in the various fields. The best example is the radiotherapy on the cancer treatment. But the question is that who is the mastermind behind the discovery of such a great field? The three person. First one is an Henry Becquerel, Pierre Curie, and the Marie Curie. After knowing that how the radioactivity change our idea about the matter and energy, the advances that are growing day by day by using the radioactivity in such an outstanding field of a science, the greatest contribution was of a woman scientist, that is a Madame Marie Curie. The Marie Curie really stand out as a source of the inspiration for every woman in the scientific world. So now let us learn about all the historical background as well as how she achieved the success in the field that is called as radioactivity. So let us know about the life history and the struggle of the Marie Curie as a woman to achieve the success whatever she had. Maria Sklodowska Curie. She was born in 1867 in a Warsaw. She belongs to the Polish family. Her parents both were teachers and their employment were precarious. So they always deal with the financial issues. As a Mary belongs to the educated family, she was a brightest student and damn curious about everything since her childhood. During that time, the Poland was under the Russian rule. The struggle of a Marie Curie for her education. During the time when the Marie Curie was taking her education, at that time the Poland was under the Russian rule. The Polish people were enslaved by Russian. The Russian at that time does not allow the people of the Poland to learn their own language and even the culture. But her family secretly preserved their Polish heritage, so you can imagine how the family of the Barry was playing role as a fighter as well as a register. Even you know that at a time under a Russian rule, women were not allowed to attend a university to learn and become a scientist. After doing her education, whatever she can do in the Poland, that is her schooling education, we can say it as, she want to do the further education by attending the Kharkova University. But a Marie Curie was rejected. The reason was just she was a woman. She was rejected by that university. But she never let this rejection to stop her from a learning. What that every woman should do for their passion. In anyhow condition, she has completed her education, that is up till a graduation in a flying university, and also do a job as a tutor and collect some money for her education. After that, she left her homeland to pursue her passion for a science in the Paris. Paris was just like a new world open to the Marie Curie, the world of the science, where she completed her master degree in a physics and then she started her career in the field of the research. Discussing about the scientific work done by the Marie Curie. Henry Becquerel during the 19th century has discovered that a uranium salt that emitted a rays similar to the X-ray. Curie became interested in this new phenomenon and spent many years in studying it. While studying the uranium mineral known as a pitch blende, along with her husband, she discovered a two new element, that's a polonium and the radium. The discovery of the polonium was done in 1898. She named this radioactive element after her home country, Poland. At that time, the Poland wasn't an independent country. She hoped that naming of the element may help bring attention to the plight of her home country. Few months later, they discovered the another element that they call as an radium. And after that, during the course of the research, they discovered the term called as an radioactivity. And for that, they were awarded by the Nobel Prize. By discovering such a radioactive element, she won a two Nobel Prize, first in the field of the physics and second in the field of the chemistry. She was a first person to win and share a two Nobel Prize. You know, it is well said that if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. The best example of this is a Marie Curie. The life of the Marie Curie was full of struggles. After an accidental death of her husband, the Marie Curie has been devastated by her husband's death. But she accepts it and hoping to create a world-class laboratory as a tribute to Perry. And along with she became the first woman professor at a Paris university. And she, along with her professorship, she also continued her research work. Not only as a scientist she was a great, but she was a very good as a mother. She made capable her both daughter in every aspect. I would like to mention over here that her both daughter were a Nobel laureates. Yeah, the whole family has won the Nobel Prize. Not only she limit herself to the discoveries, make she make the applicative use of her discoveries. That is, you can see here she used her discoveries during the World War also. Marie Curie advanced not only the science but also the women's place in a scientific community. Women have power to change the world. Women with a passion can change and can achieve anything if she believes in herself. Marie Curie said that nothing in the life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. We are greatly inspired by the story of the Marie Curie. The Marie Curie is really a great kind of inspiration for all the women in this world. These are the references. Thank you.